Hi guys, I'm architect and urban designer Moksha Bhatia. I make informational videos on architecture and urbanism. When I posted the video of best master's degree programs after BArch, I received a lot of questions regarding the urban design, like what it is and what is its scope. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you what is urban design, what is its scope, and why it is necessary in architecture. Also, I will tell you best 5 colleges for urban design, both national and international. Also, there will be a surprise in the end. So do watch the full video. Let's get started. Before I start with the technical information, let me share a personal experience with you. When I started my masters in urban design, I had no clue about the scale. In architecture, your scale is still buildings. But in urban design, the scale expands at city level. So it takes you one semester to adjust with the scale of the project only if you have no idea about it. But don't worry, I am there to help you out. Urban design is the art of making places for the people. It is concerned with how places function and not just how they look. In urban design, you build a connection between people and places. Let me show you some of the examples first. Number 1 on my list is Amritsar Heritage Walk. I have made a video on urban design of Amritsar Heritage Walk and posted its link in the description box. Do check that out. Number 2 is the Sabarmati Riverfront development. The project intends to renew Ahmedabad's character in the vicinity of the river and provide the city a significant waterfront setting along the banks of the Sabarmati River. The initiative has improved the neglected areas of the riverfront and restored the city's connection to the river. Number 3 is the revival of the Gopi Talao in Surat. The plan includes a jetty, a public park with 7 zones, a water feature, ghats, and submersible platforms. It also includes street furniture and signage, landscaping, horticulture, and the preservation of the site's historic stepwell. Number 4 on my list is Super Kiln. It is one of my favorite urban design projects, maybe because it was my first case study while I was doing masters. The first park that encourages variety is Super Kiln. It's an international display of furniture and commonplace items from all around the world, such as plants, benches, lampposts, garbage cans, and other items that are essential to any modern park and were chosen with input from the park's future patrons. These case studies were to give you an idea that urban design projects works at city level, which includes the benefit of the city and the citizens living in it. Always remember that a good urban design project will benefit the city and country economically, socially, culturally, and ecologically. Now let's discuss what else you will be studying in the course. This will include the history of urban design. You will be studying about the evolution of cities. Trust me, this is very interesting. Difficult, but very interesting. More interesting than the history of architecture. Urban design also includes the different urban forms of the city. Urban form is the shape of the city. For example, gridiron, radial, star-shaped, linear, etc. You will also get familiar about the urban policies or the legislation. You will also have your design studios in which you will be asked to design or redevelop projects at urban scale level like I have shown you before. That's it. My personal experience says that urban design is much important and interesting than our architecture course. So do pursue your master's degree in urban design. Now let's discuss the top 5 international colleges for UD. Number 1, Harvard University Graduate School of Design. Number 2, MIT School of Architecture and Planning. Number 3, University of California College of Environmental Design. Number 4, Columbia University Graduate School of Architecture, Planning and Preservation. Number 5, University of Pennsylvania School of Design. Now top 5 national colleges for UD. Number 1, SPA New Delhi. Number 2, SPA Bhopal. Number 3, SPA Vijayawada. Number 4, SEPT Ahmedabad. Number 5, Ayojan School of Architecture in Jaipur. Now it's time for the surprise that I was talking about. I am offering a 1-month urban design course. You will be taught about the methodologies of urban design, and notes will also be provided to you with it. You can pursue this course both online and offline. Email me on spinningurban@gmail.com and I will share with you the course details and the price. That's all for today. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.